Wild Eagle. This is so weird. I really have never done this before. A B&M wing. Any wing. No, this is my first one. Isn't this so weird being on the outside? Like like when we were like on the like inverted coasters you can get used to. This is weird, man. This is weird. And you can also smell the chain lubricant. Oh boy. Oh crap.
Look at that drop hill.
Yeah, I just saw that. Second, is this too late for second guesses? Now it is. Oh! Whoa! Floating my ass! Whoa! You're okay! Woo! Whoa! Immelman! Weird corkscrew thing! Down low. Whoa! Woo! That was fun. That was good. It was weird, but it was good. And this locked down really tight. Now I understand what they mean by you can't breathe. But that was awesome.
I can barely breathe now. Look at my shoulder blade.